So, good day everyone. So, this is my summarization about biodiversity. So, from ancient times, early philosophers tried to explain natural phenomena through basic elements such as water, fire, air, or air and earth. So, over time, scientific thinking evolved, leading to the recognition that all living things are share common characteristics. So, this insight formed the foundation of what we now call biodiversity. So, the understanding that life on Earth is interconnected and diverse. So, next. So, the study of biodiversity when naturalists started classifying organisms through taxonomy, a system introduced by Carl Linnaeus. So taxonomy organizes living organisms into hierarchical categories. And remains widely used today. It highlights that despite the vast diversity of species, many share similar traits. So biodiversity is particularly rich in areas where many species coexist in such ecosystem. Survival is influenced by the law of self-preservation and how organisms share limited resources. So, energy in nature is transferred and distributed among species through various ecological relationship, enabling different organisms to survive in one environment. So, so in recognition, in recognition of biodiversity's global importance, the United Nations declared 2010 as the International Year of Biodiversity. This initiative emphasized the variety of life on Earth, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. Also about 1.75 million species have been identified. So, mostly small organisms like insects. Scientists estimate a total range of 3 to 100 million species. The United Nations highlight that biodiversity loss threatens food security, tourism, medicine, energy sources, and vital ecological functions. The 2010 campaign aimed to raise global awareness, encourage action, and strengthen cooperation among countries and organizations to protect the world's biodiversity. The International Year of Biodiversity mobilized global partners to promote conservation efforts, increase public understanding, and inspire activities that support the protection and sustainable use of the planet's biological resources. And that's all. Thank you.